Yo, what's going on YouTube? Your boy Zane is back with another video tutorial of a brand new section. Yes, you guessed it right, of Bootstrap Challenges in which I'm gonna be giving you introduction to the Bootstrap from freecodecamp.com. Alright, so let's get into it. This one says that Bootstrap is a front-end framework used to design responsive web pages and web applications. It takes a mobile-first approach to web development. So, what does mobile-first approach mean? Is that whenever you create any site or any project, it will be optimized for viewing on the mobile device first, and then it will give priority to web. Alright, so it's essentially mobile first is it gives priority to mobile devices. um, Bootstrap includes pre-built CSS styles and classes, plus some JavaScript functionality. Bootstrap uses a responsive 12-column grid layout and has a design templates. I mean, has design templates for buttons, images, tables, forms, and navigation. This section introduces some of the ways to use bootstraps in your web projects. So let's in the next video, I'm going to be going to the first challenge of Bootstrap. All right.